Ladies and gentlemen, the Book of Amani. Hey loves, it's her, it's she, it's the Book of Amani back with another video, and I will be installing a synthetic wig for you guys today. Also, a little disclaimer is that this is my first voiceover, and this is also my first time installing a synthetic wig, so just bear with me, guys. Don't mind the video, just watch the video, okay? Brushing out the hair to get the knots out from the last video that I posted. I was doing a little bit too much in the hair after that video, I guess, so I have a few tangles in the hair, so I'm just brushing the hair out and giving you guys a better view of the hair and what it looks like and the quality of it. This is your standard synthetic wig with the little closure part. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. They have the adjustable straps that you can use to adjust the wig. Here I am showing you guys just a little closure parting that we have. Not much space to work with, but you know, we'll make it work. It also has some basic combs that they have in every wig. Personally, I don't like using the combs because I feel like it pull out your hair, but hey, that's just me. Okay, so enough with the ranting. We're now gonna get into the video, loves. So I start off by cutting the wig cap. I started off cutting the wig cap towards the back of my ear, so that way it wouldn't create that little rip in the front. So I pretty much did the same thing to the other ear off camera. Here I am just adjusting the wig cap. I take my Eben lace adhesive and spray it all over the front of my wig cap. I applied like 2 layers of the lace adhesive to my wig cap and then proceeded to dry it. I'm just gonna repeat the same steps, so I decided to speed up the video a little bit right here for you guys, so you guys won't have to keep watching the same thing. As you could tell, my hands got really sticky using the adhesive, so I would just be cautious about that. I just proceed with drying the wig cap. I then wipe out the excess glue with a paper towel and rubbing alcohol. After that, I get some lace tint powder and just put it on the closure part of the lace. Spray some Eben, blow dry it, and voila, slap on the wig. Okay, so these next few clips is just me adjusting the wig, brushing it out a little bit, and seeing how I pretty much want to style it. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guys pretty much watch me as I proceed with the installment, so just enjoy. I did proceed with the rest of the installment off video. My camera did die, which is why the lighting looks a little bit more brighter than the other clips, but this is the installment. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe and tune in with me next time.